let's go into Photoshop and let's start by creating a new file. Or going to File, New. File, New. We're going to open up this item here. We're going to make sure that we type in 2,100 pixels in width. Pixels, people, make sure it's in pixels. By 2,600 pixels in height. Your name will be up here. I'm going to write Miss Inga here. You write your name, and then resolution, we're going to say 300. The color mode is going to be RGB. Okay, 8 bit, and say create. Now we're here. Let's go ahead and make sure that our settings are the same. We're going to go to Window, Workspace, and we're going to say Painting. Okay. Now I want to show you. We're going to need the rulers to make sure everything's aligned. We're going to say Command R. So Command R is going to pop the rulers. Command Rulers. We're going to put the ruler in the center here. This is 7 inches, so the half of 7 is 3.5. Okay, and then we're going to put another ruler at 1, and another ruler at 6. Okay, give you guys a second. So again, the first one goes at 1, 3.5, and then 6. Now we're going to do the first part of the project is going to be that shape in the center. We're going to use a rectangle shape tool. We're going to make a big rectangle from this end all the way to this end. Okay, and we're going to make it round. So right here, you see these little points here, little round little ends here that it has on the bottom of the cursor. It means that if you push these points up, it becomes round. So we're going to make it round. In doing so, these also became round. So what you're going to do is you're going to double click here. See how this is single click? It looks like this. When it's double click, it looks extra dark. And you're going to push it out. And double click this one too. And push it out. Okay. Then we're going to come here and bring it down just a little bit. All right. So this should lay at 6. So that we're here. Okay. Now let's bring the ice cream. You downloaded your ice cream, or you have to re-download it, and you're going to bring it into your working document. Yes, the first thing you do is, because you already have the save, we're going to just go and to minimize how many layers we have. We're not going to duplicate this time around because this is a smart object, but we are going to select it using the object selection tool. We're going to go to select the item, and we're going to put a layer mask on it. Okay. Now I would like to start putting some of the colors into our shape. Okay, so it doesn't matter what color you have here. We're going to change the color to match the ice cream flavor you have. Okay, to do so, we're going to go to the rectangle shape layer. You're going to go to FX and you're going to say gradient overlay. Think about putting a gradient over it. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to the first color that I'm going to select. Is going to be I'm going to select the color. So again, you go to the gradient tool, you go to gradient, make sure that its blending mode is normal, make sure that it's linear, okay? And it's at negative 80, okay? And so we're gonna come to the gradient editor and we're gonna click on the first tab. And on the first tab, we're gonna go to color, and we're gonna pick the lightest part of the ice cream here, or somewhat light. Okay, and we're going to say okay, and then we go to the dark part, this one at the end, and we go to color, and we're going to pick the darkest part of the ice cream. And we're going to say okay. Maybe we go one more little lighter, see what happens. Do we want it a little bit lighter? Oh yeah, it's too dark. That's nice. And we say okay. And we say okay. Now, we're going to make the circle. Okay, ellipse tool. We're going to make a big circle here. Pressing shift. If you don't press shift, you don't get a perfect circle. So we're going to press shift. Okay. The circle is going to be filled in white. And we want to put our circle right on top of, our circle is going to be here. And we're going to fill it in white. And obviously we're having layer problems. I'm gonna put it right below this one. It needs to be bigger. And in the center. And we're gonna lower the opacity. I'm gonna put a pause now and we'll continue in the next video. All right, bye guys.